Class 6, Maths, Chapter 10, Mensuration. Animated Math, Introduction. To compare plane figures, we need to know some measures. Let us see how we can compare plane figures. Perimeter. Perimeter is the distance along the line forming a closed figure when you go around the figure once. We can also say that perimeter is the sum of measure of all sides of a figure. Perimeter of a rectangle. Let us consider a rectangle with length L and breadth B. Perimeter of rectangle will be sum of length and breadth. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to L plus B plus B. Or we can say that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of regular shapes. Square. Let us consider a square with side S. We know that all sides of a square are equal. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides is equal to S plus S plus S plus S is equal to 4S. Equilateral triangle. Let us consider an equilateral triangle with side A. We know that all sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides A plus A, which is 3A. All those figures which are closed and have equal sides are known as regular closed figures. Examples. Example 1. Find the distance covered by Raina if she takes 2 rounds of a rectangular park whose length is 34 meters and breadth is 22 meters. Solution. Length of park is 34 meters. Breadth of the park is 22 meters. Perimeter of park is equal to 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into 34 plus 22, which is 112 centimeters. Distance covered by Raina is equal to 2 into 112 meters, which is 224 meters. Example 2. Find the perimeter of square notebook, whose side is 13 centimeters long. Length of side of notebook is 13 centimeters. Perimeter of notebook is equal to 4 into 13 is equal to 52 centimeters. Example 3. Find the perimeter of a regular pentagon with each side measuring 2.5 centimeters. Solution. Perimeter of regular pentagon is 5 into 2.5, which is 12.5 centimeters. Example 4. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 12 centimeters. Find its side. Solution. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3A is equal to 12. 3A is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 by 3, which is 4 centimeters. So side of equilateral triangle is 4 centimeters. Area. Look at the figure below. So can you tell which of the above figures has more area? Area means the amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure. Now look at the adjoining figures. Which one of these has larger area? It is difficult to tell just by looking at these figures. So what do? Place them on a squared paper or graph paper where every square measures 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Make an outline of the figure. Look at the squares enclosed by the figure. Some of them are completely enclosed, some half, some less than half, and some more than half. The area is the number of centimeter squares that are needed to cover it. But there is a small problem. The squares do not always fit exactly into the area you measure. We get over this difficulty by adopting a convention. The area of one full square is taken as 1 square unit. If it is a centimeter square sheet, then area of one full square will be 1 square centimeter. Ignore portions of the area that are less than half a square. If more than half of a square is in a region, just count it as 1 square. If exactly half the square is counted, take its area as half square unit. Such a convention gives a fair estimate of the desired area. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Let us take a few examples. Example. Find the area of a rectangular card sheet whose length is S 10 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Solution. Length of card sheet is equal to 10 centimeters. Breadth of card sheet is 4 centimeters. Area of rectangle is length into breadth is equal to 10 centimeter into 4 centimeter is equal to 40 centimeter square. Area of a square. Area of a square is equal to side into side, which is side square. Let us take an example. Example. Find the area of a square garden whose side is 40 meter long. Solution. Length of side of the square garden is 40 meter. Area of square garden is equal to side square, which is 40 into 40, is equal to 160 m square.